away. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're giving the 31 proper drift fitment, and I'm so keen. The plan is to jack it up, put the Steelies on the front, and then just pump the fuck out of the front guards. Hopefully I don't break anything, because my history with working with metal is not fantastic. Oh shit, I done fucked up now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. If you do, give it a like, tell some friends about the channel, and if you subscribe, your name goes at the end of the next video. Cheers.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, oh my god, look how dirty it is.
No.
So yeah, pollen season. Oh my. We're gonna start by putting the 31 on the ramps, because we've got to get it on the ramp so I can get a jack under that front subframe. And then yeah, we got it up, start doing some guard rolly type things. Also, there's the Steelies. Thanks to Hayden, got some tyres mounted. Also, Chris got some tyres mounted. Super tiny sidewall skidders, which look pretty funny. What are they? 205 45 17s compared to the front, which have a little bit more sidewall. Pig's looking sick though. Does you agree?
I got a bottled water, so you can't throw flowers in it.
That's
fine. I'm okay with sparkling water now.
Starts rolling away.
We ain't stopping this thingy.
Yeah, she a heavy boy.
Alright, you tell me when.
Okay, go, go, go. Alright, stop. Oh my. Really got to get rid of this motor, hey. Maybe we should put it in the lounge today. Oh look. Oh no, that's just broken. I was like, they bend back. No, that's just screwed in.
Shit.
How is that not fallen out yet? Yeah.
Steve cannot get the thing out of the socket.
Oh, get a screwdriver. Ah!
Oof. Not a great idea.
Ah! Mate!
Alright, so we're cracking wheel nuts.
Oh, yep. Definitely time.
Okay. We're sort of cracking wheel nuts. They were finger tight.
We'll get there.
Yeah.
Yeet.
Got it.
Is it recording this time?
It is recording.
Oh, good job, Brad.
Yeah. Now when Brad's filming, you get the great zoomy shots.
Zoomy boys.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Bless you, man.
Cameraman had to sneeze. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
These are the new ones, sort of. I mean, they're not new.
I mean,
They're also Steelies.
they're
So
also big boys.
it's literally a downgrade. But they got fresh tires.
So do we going this way?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah?
I want
Okay.
to see it actually.
Hell yeah.
Please.
Oh my god. It's time to clear the plates.
That looks incredible already. Oh my god, you need dish. I'm a bit of a sucker for dish though.
Doesn't like fit very nice. I wonder why.
I think you meant to like grind off the face of the other side first if you're actually going to set this up like that.
Hell yeah. Spacey boys.
Hell yeah.
I was so excited to take these off, but if it looks hella good, I'm not going to take them off, but I will have to.
Yeah, you have to. I think you'll have to roll. I don't think you have to pull them.
I reckon I have to pull them, man.
Nah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Just some heavy duty rolling. Fuck me, I can't film, eh?
What do you mean?
I'm retarded.
Oh, you had it zoomed in the whole time?
Not the whole time. Just every now and again I look up and I'm like just pointing it straight at the fucking fender or something. It's just like, Brad, come on, man.
It's not hella tight, but we ain't gonna be driving like this. Look at that pokey boy.
Oh yeah. It's not even sitting down yet.
Yeah, it will tuck slightly when it's under compression. Oh my god.
Oh my. That looks fucking.
That looks sick.
That looks crazy. What the
It
fuck?
just looks like the JZX100s in Japan.
Yeah, it's poking so far. Holy shit.
My god.
How much of fucking camber it's got? That's straight.
That's like,
That's where it sits.
holy shit. Morning!
Morning.
We got 11 centimeters of poke.
Like Chris.
You should pull it and then sack it. Look,
It
these
doesn't
are
work,
unrolled. Roll the fuck out of
I mean-
these and pull it and then slam
They're
it.
not really unrolled.
Max out the coil. I
Okay.
want to see this
Tell them
fender
more.
here. I want to see this fender here, down here.
Okay, here we got number 1. And then over here, we got number 2. It's gone. There's no wheel here. I hate it.
Just fuck.
Yeah. This is
I really want to see it without the spacer though.
bitch boy. And then this is
Should we take the spacer off and then see?
big dick energy right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Bradley.
I did a film.
Oh wait, I gotta put my foot on the brake. Oh. Oh no, what have I done? Oh no! The struggles. Oh, big man Brad.
They're really not that tight.
Actually, they're definitely bigger than 15 mil.
Oh my god. Big boys.
They're big boys. 25.
25 mils.
Yeet. Well, that's why it looks so tough.
That might help if you can clear.
Roll out. Oh my god. Yes.
Huh. The classic Brad zoom. None of this footage is usable.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It needs
It doesn't
a
look-
spacer.
it
just
doesn't look
need
meaty.
25 mil.
Yeah.
It needs like 15.
Could get a smaller spacer. 15.
Do we have one? Chris, do you have any spacers? Look, there's heaps of thread on these ones. Do you have a smaller spacer?
This is a 25.
This is 25.
I don't think it's special.
Yeah.
I have like a 5 mil slip on somewhere.
Somewhere.
But I
That's
don't think it's here.
beautiful.
I don't think it's here.
Are you sure?
No, I don't remember bringing it up.
My god. Christopher. I need it. I need it.
Alright, we'll be back after these short messages.
What was that?
Would you look at all that chick?
Shitty. I put that there. I remember putting that there. Yeet.
Guardian. Let's finish this.
Okay. Spacer back on and rolling.
Super Saiyan Vegeta went back to normal Vegeta.
Or-
Super Saiyan. I
Or,
don't know anything about Dragon Ball Z.
I don't either. Drop it on its ass in the front, put the spacer on the back.
Mate. No way. I sort of like that, to be honest.
Don't.
Yeah, well, it could be better. I'm not gonna lie.
Like 20 minutes ago and the spacer was on.
Yeah.
There's one thing. Hey dude, stop with your tongue. Yeah. It's really far out, dude. You're zoomed in, mate.
I know. My name's Brad. This is how I film every day.
Wow. That's bullying.
Okay, I'm just gonna time lapse, jacking it up, putting the spacer back on, putting the wheel on, putting the wheel on the other side because,
Yeah.
you know, we've done this a million times. I've got to get the dog.
Have you get oil?
Sorted.
My god. Hi, buddy! This is Atom, if you're new to the channel.
It's fucking special.
He's definitely fucking special. Look at him.
He's
Alright.
adorable.
But you get
He's gonna die.
Time to exhaust.
He's like, no way. You're gonna have to pick him up. Do you want me to pick him up?
We can't pick him up. He's now sitting.
That's where he lives.
Come on.
He's not going to
Come
be
on.
able to. He can't jump though.
Ow.
Oh, good boy. Good boy.
He's a good dog.
So the reason that we took the wheels off and off and off and on was there's actually a difference between left to right on the way that the camber's sitting. I need to get a wheel alignment or something's bent. We spend a lot of time underneath trying to figure out. I think that front left lower control arm seems a little bit how you going. Might have bent it at Matsuri, not too sure. Go, son. Matsuri was a blast. But it is a bit of a bummer. I think it was like that before I bought the car, so something might be really wrong, but the frame rail seems straight, so we'll see. But that looks sick. I love it. Oh, there's a dog. Hi, Adam. But the side looks really how you going. There's definitely way more camber though, but the camber tops look similar on both sides, which is a bit odd, but oh well. We'll have to get alignment at some point. This is the front left wheel that came off the front of the Skyline. Definitely a bit of camber wear, but it's alright.
You should just comparison camber wear, walk around to my wheels, my dead tires. Go show them.
Should. Oh, run away! Man, you're very aware dog, aren't you? Chris killed his tires. So did I.
It was 2 days at Matsuri. This is like
Yeah.
10 skids out the back over there.
Well,
Yeah,
what do
you
expect
really
when you
have
bounce off a
rear
red
camber,
line?
my god.
Sorry?
I said, what do you expect when you bounce off a red line like that? You're mad.
More skidders for the Skyline. Yeet. Yeah. We've got quite a collection going on now. So yeah, bit of a bummer that we can't pump those front fenders with the 25mm spacers, but once we get an alignment, yeah, but we're not, Chris, because one guard sticking out 30mm wider than the other would look absolutely fucking retarded. So I'm not doing it. We're not doing it, Chris.
I know we're not, but it's possible.
You having fun with your
Shut up.
So yeah, we've decided not to do that, but yeah, car looks cool. I'm stoked. Down the line, definitely want to pump those fenders and put spacers on it, because that front left wheel, the way the fitment is, absolutely weak. Not a fan, but at least it's drivable for the moment. Why do you look so sad, buddy? Extension cord.
Tangled in everything.
I just love how the extension cords are just poking out the side. Oh, he looks so happy. See? The side just looks weak, lame, slightly better. Oh, baby. You cute. Oh, what's up, buddy? Hi. Do you want the toy? Do you want this? Do you want this? Oh, who's this big little wolf looking thing? So yeah, hell yeah. The car's on full set of Steelies. I need to get some sort of wheel alignment and I'll fix out that camber issue, and then I might be able to put the 25mm spacers on, pump the front guards and actually have it sit in mint. Or I'll have to get a 15mm spacer in. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Anyway, come to the end of the video. If you guys enjoy, give it a thumbs up, tell some friends about the channel, and like always, if you subscribe, your name goes at the end of the next video. Cheers.